Beautiful day, Bravehearts. I'm Dr. Sage Wolfe, and I am just out in Coffs Harbor, Nambucca Heads right now. We are on day 5 of the Wolfe Non Surgical course. So what is Wolfe Non Surgical? We go in and we remove adipose tissue, scar tissue, crystallization, and calcification. Today we're actually doing knee restoration, so if you're ever booked in for knee replacement, you have knee issues, you have mobility issues, kind of squatting, getting down, we go in and we remove that scar tissue that debilitates your joints, that causes you to have that limited mobility. And then this afternoon we're going to be going into the lower leg restoration and then ankle and feet. But I wanted to say, you can't wait, guys, for everything to be okay to start. Nothing is ever going to be in perfect alignment. You need to find alignment within you to say, I'm ready to take that next step. I'm ready to move forward. I'm ready to learn, expand, grow more. And if it's not our course, you got to find something out there. You need to do self-work. You need to look inside and say, where are my faults? Because none of us are perfect. You're perfect already, but you know what? Strive for perfection. No, it's not achievable. I'm doing amazing today, but I want to try to be a better man for you guys tomorrow. I want to try to be a better doctor for you guys tomorrow. I want to be a better friend, a better lover, whatever you want that to be. You need to expand your brain. And you kind of have to have a little bit, you got to be a little bit radical. And I need to have that self-confidence. You need to feel like your self-confidence is not just in yourself. It's a little irrational at this point. You should feel. I should feel oh, should I dip in? Should I dip out? There's never going to be the perfect moment. You can't create it. So you just have to do it. You have to be there. You have to take action. You have to have a little bit of that irrational self-confidence to say, no, I'm moving forward, and this is what I want it to look like, and I'm going to take those action steps. And if I fall along the way, it doesn't matter. You're going to pick yourself back up, and you're going to keep striving for what you desire, because eventually the stars do align. You start seeing these amazing signs saying you're on the right track. And so we have a bunch of beautiful Bravehearts out here. I'm probably teaching 26 students. I'm going to be heading to Melbourne, Australia on the 5th. I will be starting, I have a lecture on there on the 7th, and then I will be starting doing some treatments, personal treatments for anybody who's needing some treatment or wanting to experience the Wolfe Non Surgical. I will be out there until about the 25th of September doing treatments. So if you contact our office and you're interested in getting treatment done, ask for my number. They'll give you my number and just WhatsApp me and we will book you in. I will give you some times. And so our last course is going to be in Bonita Springs, Florida this year, and that will be in October. So if you ever wanted to learn Wolfe Non Surgical or learn a type of modality that goes more than just surface tension deep, we go into the issues in the actual tissues that are debilitating you. We show you how to get on a perfect day diet. We show you how to kind of learn how to actually breathe and stay in the present moment, because only true healing can happen in the present moment. I hope everybody is having a beautiful day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.